In this video, I'll show you how to easily add a glowing effect to images in Canva. Whether you're designing YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, adding a glow can make your visuals stand out and look more professional. So let's open a blank Canva design, and then I'm going to add a picture of the person to which I want to add the glow effect. Our job now is to remove the background of this photo, and there are two ways of doing this. If you're a Canva Pro user, then you'll want to tap on this BG Remover option, and then wait a second or two. But if you don't have Canva Pro, then open this website that's called remove.bg, and I'll leave the website link in the description of this video. We will now upload the photo to this website, and they will automatically remove the background for us, and it's free. Download the photo from the website and then upload it to canva.com. Once we have our cutout, it's time to add the glow effect. And we can do that by tapping on the photo, then select the Edit option at the top. Scroll through the options at the left and find the Shadows option. Here's the glow effect, which we need, so just tap on it and then just adjust the size, color, intensity, and similar things by dragging these sliders. If you want the glow effect to be strong, then drag the intensity slider all the way to the right side, and then you'll get a result like this. So that's how we can add a glow effect using Canva. Make sure you leave a like on this video if this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.